ABM students, of course, we memorize the 4 definitions of accounting. We're ABM students, of course, magbabalance kami araw-araw.
We're ABM students. Of course, we're perfectionists. We're ABM students. Syempre, di mawawala yung calculator sa bag na. We're ABM students. Of course, marunong kami mag-compute ng pera.
Magaling ba tayo dun? Accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions.
Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decisions by the users of information.
Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Accounting is an information system that processes and communicates financial information about economic entities.